The petitioners are working as work charge employees on different posts at different dams against purely temporary works. Full stop. Their services were hired from time to time as and when required for a maximum period of 89 days, purely on temporary basis. Full stop. As per terms and conditions expected by them for appointment as work charge employees, they could not claim for appointment on contract basis. Full stop. It is worthwhile to mention that the services of the petitioner were hired neither on contract basis nor on regular basis. Full stop. The matter of fact is that the services of work charged employees were hired through an advertisement published in newspaper. Full stop. The advertisement reveals that the appointments were made on work charge basis for a period of 89 days. Full stop. It is clearly mentioned therein that the work charge employee shall not have the right to be treated as permanent or regular employee. Full stop. The petitioners expected these terms and conditions at the time of their appointment on work charge basis. Full stop. Hence the petitioners are stopped to file the instant writ petition. Full stop. The same is liable to be dismissed, being barred by law as well as not maintainable. Full stop. That the petitioners are daily wages slash work charge employees, which does not confer any right that their services could be regularized or otherwise. Full stop. That the petitioners have not applied to the department for redressal of their grievances. Full stop. Therefore the instant writ petition is liable to be dismissed, being incompetent and not maintainable. Full stop. That the petitioners have not come before the honorable court with clean hands. Hence, writ petition is liable to be dismissed in limine. Full stop. That the petitioners were engaged temporarily, time to time, according to the nature of work to be done under the Public Works Department Code. Hence, writ is not maintainable. Full stop. That at the time of engaging as work charge employees, the procedure of the appointment of a regular government employee was not observed. So, the petitioners cannot be given equal status as that of a regular government employee at this stage. Full stop.